I'm just doing a quick alteration here today. So Craig's had a little bit of a blowout with his jeans. His seams come undone. So I'm just going to stitch that up. So turn the jeans inside out. And I'm going to set the stitch onto a triple stitch, which is a bit stronger than just a normal stitch. And I'm going to move the needle position into the center just by adjusting the width to 3.5. Alright, so now we're all set to sew. Lining that up. And I'll just adjust that camera so you can see. And I've had that on slow, so I've just adjusted it onto the faster speed. And then just doing my locking stitch, scissor action to cut the thread, same to the other side. Let's start off with a locking stitch. Then finishing off again with the locking stitch using my scissor action, and we are all done.